Hi, my name is Norman Dranksholt. I'm with the Sea Dog line, and today we're going to look at some of the brushes that we've come out with the last couple of years that fit on the end of all of our boat hooks that have an Acme thread. We really wanted one that would protect against bumping up against the side of a boat. This right here is called a three-sided. We've got it in soft, which is blue, medium, yellow, and white, which is more for a real dock or something that's really tough. The reason we did three-sided is some of the other products that are out there, the hard wood on this, if you lose your ring, can bang up against your boat. And so we've got one that instead of doing that, you're going to be pushing up against a nice brush on the side. Again, really nice product. The other one we did is a three-sided. So many times you're sitting there with your boat hook reaching over the boat, leaning out over the lifelines or the railing, trying to get down to the waterline. Again, we wanted one that's a little bit easier. This one allows you to have a full three-sided, so your pole's up here and you're able to get underneath the hull itself and clean the waterline. Another one that we like to do would be one that you can put on to your boat hook and able to both clean it with a brush and then squeeze it off, especially if there's hard water. The other one that we did is a locking button. So in case someone has a quiver of different attachments that are out there from our competitors or some of our friends, you can still take this off and screw it on and use this attachment right here. Other folks have said, you know, Norman, I've got already this attached to my brush. I don't want to change that out. If you've got a paint stick, here's just a standard paint stick with an Acme thread on it, you're able to screw that on and now use a really inexpensive adapter to allow you to use the brush. So again, all of these great products are available through Sea Dog. You can check them out at sea-dog.com. Happy boating out there. Thank you.